They made more SpongeBob food items. I've opened it before. My favorites being Plankton as a hot dog, Mr. Krabs as some fries, and Squidward as a shake. But they have a bunch of new ones. And a Chase Metallic Gary. I bought 10. Let's open 5. Who are we gonna get? And it's Mr. Krabs. How is the first one gonna be doubles? Come on, Gary! No! Really? We don't keep the packaging around here. Come on! Patrick! Can I get at least one new one? Let me see! Oh! It's Fred as a macaroon! That's awesome! The only way to get this before was buying a special box, but now you can get them in the mysteries. Last one! Who'd I get? Not Mr. Krabs again. Who ordered 3 large fries?